well, we are loaded up. We got the Civic behind us, and it's time to go play. I am nervously excited about this, but I mean, it should go well. I mean, we've already broke so much in such a short time. What else could break? Let's get out here and have some fun.
Yes.
Oh yeah. This is the honey hole. It don't look like it's that bad.
Looks kind of like a bottomless pit.
It's definitely a bottomless pit. I think you're on the high rope. But
so where are you planning on coming in?
We gotta come in like here and go straight out there. Now this thing has swallowed, I'd say 5 to 10 trucks.
Have you ever tried from that way coming across?
No, because I feel like the hill would, there's no way you'd have enough momentum. They've tried like coming in from that way and across, which was the most successful. But
did any of them have 44s?
No, 38s were the biggest. 38s, and they weren't boggers. I'm the only one with boggers. But the one with the 38s had both lockers, front and rear lockers.
Well, I don't know. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Well, we got a winch, we got the F450, and boggers, and Cody. So let's just do it. Fuck it. Yep. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let me get the Bruce taken off here, and we'll start our descent. Adventure. Is it a descent? Our adventure. All right, guys, I'm super nervous about this. I'm not gonna lie. This hole has swallowed a lot, but let's get to it. Woo!
right, so the F4 Shitty gets to haul something else out. It happens.
Hold on, let me get in. Unbelievable. Well, at least this has one thing none of the other trucks you got stuck have. A sunroof.
Yeah, you have to get it in tomorrow. You have to get it in tomorrow.
At least this has one thing none of the other trucks you got stuck have. A sunroof. The end? The inside?
No, the door isn't
All right, go
closed.
ahead. Well, unlike all the other trucks that got stuck, mine actually ran to get me back out, so that is always a plus. Lesson learned. Let's get it on the trailer and head home, and I'll finish out this conversation. I'm a little nervous.
It's all right. Let's do it.
Attempt 2.
Alrighty guys, well we got the Bruce back, and this is actually 3 days after we tried that for the first time, and well, we've got a lot to explain. This is in an upcoming video. It did end up ripping the bumper off of it. Definitely another video. We blew an axle seal. Again, a completely different video, but I wanted to say here that our makeshift I guess water repellent, what do we want to call them? Do we want to call them wheel liners or wheel wells? I don't even know what we want to call it, but I want to say that these things survived and these things did amazing. Now, the other thing that happened was, as you can tell, it is a couple days later, but the other thing that happened was I didn't have the inside covered up. And as you guys do know, it was slinging water and mud and everything like that inside of the cab of the truck or Civic car, whatever you want to do it. So I had to do something about it, because if you see me in the video, like, I'm covered head to toe in mud. Basically, the exhaust was underwater and it was just spitting the mud. You can tell on the seat there, like under the steering column, all over the door, which it is what it is. It's a mud truck, guys. We knew this truck was going to get muddy and get destroyed, but it was basically shooting all that stuff out and just absolutely pummeling me with mud. I mean, you can just tell that there is just mud all throughout this thing, which I don't care. It is what it is. But we went ahead and I measured this out, and I ended up just cutting it just a little piece to make it work. Then the following day, we ended up going to a car show, which everyone who stopped out, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So after the car show, we decided to take it back down to that hole and try again. And I went in it super fast. I think I have the footage actually. I'll play it again towards the end of the video after the car show. But I went into it super fast, super hard, wide open throttle. And well, that's where all the damage took place. So it is what it is. I'm not scared. I'm not mad. But once we got all that fixed, I came back to the house. I was frustrated. As you do know, we did have a cross brace here. If you can look under here, you'll see another brace. So I ended up re-bracing it. The pliers actually don't need to be there any longer. there is actually a screw in there, so that is actually mounted. So we are slowly making headway, guys. I actually forgot that the pliers were even there. I'm so used to looking at it, guys. But we are making great headway with the Bruce, and I actually am glad that we can take it out to have fun. So again, at the very end of the video here, I am gonna put the clip in where I tried to redo that hill, or that mud hole, and I did it with some speed. I mean, as soon as I crested that hill, I pinned it wide open throttle, and that's where we suffered the damage on the front bumper. Again, it was an unsuccessful trip, but it is what it is. But then, like I said, once we got all that fixed, we found a place to go off-roading, and that is going to be an upcoming video, I believe Monday or Tuesday evening. And you're definitely not going to miss that one, because that was freaking fun. If you do have Instagram, definitely check it out. Send it Steve, send it _Steve. I posted a little bit of a video there. You can see some of it. But guys, this thing is actually coming together, and we can actually have fun with it and enjoy it. So again, guys, I'm going to end it here, but I'm going to roll some more footage of the car show and everything. So thanks again for everybody who stopped out. I appreciate you guys, and so does the local police department, everybody. They raised some good money for the police department and, you know, things like that. So again, guys, if you like the content, I can promise you we are not done with this truck. We are finally able to enjoy it. We're able to get him out there, sling some freaking mud, and you guys have to stay tuned to the upcoming video. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video with the Bruce. We also have a Suburban update, guys. The Suburban is right here, and I don't want to give it away. Don't want to give away too much, but you're not gonna want to miss this next big announcement and big video on the Suburban, guys. Stay tuned. Take care. See you in the next one.
Yeah. Not today. You're just digging. Not today, sir.
Damn. You want to talk about frustrating? That's frustrating. Flooded you out. I love this thing.
Get up.
Keep on keeping on.
Keep on keeping on.